Have you ever wondered how your phone can recognize your face? Or how your favorite streaming service knows exactly what movie you want to watch next? It's not magic, it's AI models. But what exactly are they? Stick around, because we're about to demystify one of the most powerful technologies of our time. And hey, if you love learning about tech, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. So, what is an AI model? In the simplest terms, think of an AI model as a digital brain that's been trained to perform a specific task. Just like how we learn to ride a bike or speak a language through practice, an AI model learns by processing huge amounts of data. It's not a physical robot walking around. It's a complex piece of software, a network of algorithms designed to find patterns, make predictions, and generate new content. Let's break it down with an analogy. Imagine you want to teach a computer to tell the difference between a cat and a dog. You wouldn't write a long list of rules, like if it has pointy ears and whiskers, it might be a cat. That would be nearly impossible. Instead, you use an AI model. You show it thousands, even millions, of pictures labeled cat and dog. The model analyzes all these images, learning the subtle features and patterns that distinguish one from the other. It learns about ear shapes, snout lengths, fur textures, and so much more. After this training, when you show it a new, unlabeled picture of a cat or a dog, it can make a highly accurate guess based on everything it has learned. That, in essence, is how a classification model works. But AI models aren't just for sorting cats and dogs. There are many different types, each specializing in a different kind of task. You've got generative models like the ones that can write stories, compose music, or create stunning digital art from a simple text prompt. These models, like GPT-4 or Mid-Journey, learn the underlying structure and style from vast datasets of text and images, and then use that knowledge to create something entirely new and original. They're the creative artists of the AI world. Then there are predictive models. These are the fortune tellers of the digital age. They're used in finance to predict stock market trends, in healthcare to forecast disease outbreaks, and in e-commerce to recommend products you might like. They work by analyzing historical data to identify trends and correlations, and then use those insights to predict future outcomes. When your GPS app predicts your arrival time by analyzing current traffic conditions, that's a predictive AI model at work. We also have reinforcement learning models. These are the gamers of the AI family. They learn through trial and error, just like a person learning to play a video game. The model performs an action in an environment, and based on the outcome, it receives a reward or a penalty. The goal is to maximize the total reward over time. This is the technology behind AI that can master complex games like chess or Go, and it's also crucial for training self-driving cars to navigate the unpredictable real world safely. So, how are these incredible digital brains actually built? It all starts with data, lots and lots of it. Equality's diverse data is the lifeblood of any good AI model. Then, data scientists and machine learning engineers choose a specific architecture or a blueprint for the model, like a neural network. This network is inspired by the human brain, with interconnected nodes or neurons that process information. The training process involves feeding the data through this network and adjusting the connections between the neurons until the model's outputs are as accurate as possible. This process can take days, weeks, or even months, using incredibly powerful computers. Once a model is trained, it's not done. It needs to be tested, validated, and often fine-tuned to ensure it performs well in real-world scenarios, and, importantly, that it's fair and unbiased. An AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If the data has biases, the model will inherit them, which is a major challenge the industry is actively working to solve. From the voice assistant on your smart speaker to the spam filter in your email, AI models are already deeply integrated into our daily lives, often working silently in the background to make things smarter, faster, and more convenient. They are revolutionizing industries from medicine and science to entertainment and art. They are not just tools. They are partners that can augment human intelligence and unlock new possibilities we're only just beginning to imagine. So, the next time you ask your phone for directions or get a surprisingly good movie recommendation, you'll know there's a sophisticated data-trained AI model working behind the scenes. It's a digital brain trained on a world of information, all to make your life a little bit easier. What are your thoughts on AI models? Are you excited, or do you have concerns? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell to stay updated with our latest content. See you in the next one.